Welcome to Choice Champions. The best Dremel Rotary Tool Kit is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for any DIY enthusiast, crafter, or homeowner, offering an incredible range of capabilities from intricate detailing and polishing to cutting, grinding, and sanding, making it the ultimate solution for a multitude of projects around the house and in the workshop. Number 5. WORKPRO 276-piece Rotary Tool Accessories Kit. Introducing the WORKPRO 276-piece Rotary Tool Accessories Kit. This comprehensive set is designed to meet all your DIY needs for cutting, grinding, sanding, and polishing. It includes a wide range of accessories for various applications like carving, engraving, and drilling. You can tackle diverse DIY projects with ease. This all-purpose accessory set is perfect for working on a variety of materials. It's suitable for most metals, ceramics, glass, and wood. Achieve fine detail work on delicate materials like jade and hardened steel. It provides the precision you need for intricate tasks. Featuring a 1/8-inch shank diameter, it offers universal fitment. This means it's compatible with all major brands of rotary tools. Keep your accessories organized and transport them easily with the included reusable storage case. It ensures everything is tidy and ready for your next project. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive range of accessories for almost any DIY task. If you're looking for a one-stop solution to cover cutting, grinding, sanding, and polishing needs across various materials, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those who want a single purchase to handle a wide array of projects without needing to buy individual bits. What people say. The tool is lightweight and comfortable to hold, making it easy to maneuver for detailed work. It comes with a wide variety of attachments and accessories, allowing for versatility in different projects. The variable speed control is a great feature, providing precise adjustments for various materials and tasks. Number 4. AVID Power 8V Cordless Rotary Tool. Experience the freedom of a powerful, cordless rotary tool. Its robust motor and 5 variable speeds handle everything from DIY crafts to pet grooming with ease. Forget tangled cords. This tool features a long-lasting rechargeable battery that charges fully in just a few hours, offering true portability. For bright LED lights, ensure your project is always well lit, even in dim conditions. Plus, its low-noise operation makes it comfortable for both you and your pets. Designed with an ergonomic, anti-slip handle, it provides a comfortable grip for precise control. Its lightweight design reduces fatigue during delicate tasks. Unleash your creativity with 60 included accessories. Perfect for a wide range of projects including carving, engraving, sanding, polishing, and cutting. This package includes the rotary tool, a full set of accessories, a charger, and a convenient storage bag for easy transport and organization. What we like. Experience freedom with this cordless rotary tool, perfect for intricate jobs where an outlet isn't nearby. If you need precise control over your work, its 5 speed settings are invaluable. The added LED lights are a game changer for low light conditions, making it excellent for detailed carving or even grooming pet nails. What people say. The tool has a comfortable grip and is easy to maneuver. It comes with a wide variety of attachments for different tasks. The variable speed control allows for precise work on various materials. Number 3. HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool Kit, Pink 69 PCS. Introducing the HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool Kit, your perfect partner for all your fine DIY projects. It comes with 69 essential accessories to help you create with ease. Achieve the perfect finish with its 5-speed adjustment, ranging from 5000 to 18,000 revolutions per minute. This allows you to tailor the speed precisely to your project's needs. Designed to feel like a pen in your hand, this tool offers exceptional control and comfort. Its compact and lightweight nature means you can take it anywhere for on-the-go creativity. Powered by a 3.7V rechargeable battery with a 2000 mAh capacity, enjoy over 200 minutes of use on a single charge. USB charging makes powering up convenient and simple. The innovative LED light eliminates shadows, ensuring a clear view of your work area. This feature enhances precision, especially for detailed tasks like resin crafting. Ideal for sanding, polishing, drilling, and engraving, this tool is designed for intricate DIY tasks. Please note, it is intended for fine work, not heavy-duty projects. What we like. For those who prioritize comfort and precision in fine detail work, this mini rotary tool is a fantastic option. Its compact, pen-like design offers ultimate control, making it perfect for delicate tasks like resin art or small-scale engraving. If you value portability and ease of use for intricate projects, you'll love this tool. What people say. This is a great tool for small projects and detailed work. It comes with a lot of attachments that make it versatile. The tool is lightweight and easy to handle, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. The variable speed control is very useful for different tasks. Number 2. Fanttik F2 Master Mini Cordless Rotary Tool Kit. Introducing the Fanttik F2 Master Mini, a compact yet powerful cordless rotary tool. It's designed for precision and ease of use in all your crafting projects. Experience a quieter, cooler operation with its advanced brushless motor. Delivering up to 25,000 revolutions per minute with 5 adjustable speed settings, it handles delicate tasks with ease. Never lose an accessory again. The magnetic stand keeps 35 essential tools neatly organized and readily accessible for any project, from engraving to polishing. Weighing only 0.22 pounds, this tool is incredibly lightweight and portable. Its durable aluminum case ensures it's ready for creativity wherever you go. Effortlessly control your speed with the integrated button and monitor settings with the clear LED indicator. It's built to adapt to any workspace, wet or dry. Charge fully in just 60 minutes via USB-C. A convenient power indicator keeps you informed about battery life, ensuring uninterrupted creativity. What we like. This tool boasts a whisper-quiet, powerful brushless motor for a superior user experience. If you appreciate organized and convenient accessory management, the magnetic Ravoster hub is a standout feature. It's ideal for 3D printer enthusiasts or anyone tackling precision DIY crafts who wants efficient, quiet operation. What people say. Equipped with a brushless hollow cup motor, the tool operates quietly and efficiently, reducing noise by 30% compared to standard motors. Offers 5 adjustable speed settings up to 25,000 revolutions per minute, allowing users to match the speed to the task at hand. Comes with 35 different bits, catering to a range of tasks. Number 1. Tungsten Carbide Rotary Burr Set for Dremel. Crafted from high-quality tungsten carbide steel, these bits are built for longevity. They offer a sturdy and durable performance for all your projects. Featuring a double-cut design with crossed grooves, these bits excel at removing material efficiently. They are perfect for softer materials like wood, plastic, and aluminum. Made from premium tungsten carbide steel, these bits boast extreme hardness and toughness. They cut through materials effortlessly, like a hot knife through butter. With a 1/8-inch shank, they fit Dremel and most die grinders or rotary tools. You will receive a complete set of 10 tungsten steel rotary burrs. They come conveniently packaged in a protective case for safe storage. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues, please contact us for a solution or replacement. We apologize for any inconvenience. What we like. When you need to tackle tough materials like steel and metal, this carbide burr set is your go-to. Its double-cut design ensures efficient material removal, making it perfect for serious metalworking and woodworking projects. If you're a professional or serious DIYer looking for durability and performance on harder materials, this set is essential. What people say. It has a good variety of bits for different tasks. The tool is lightweight and comfortable to hold for extended periods. The variable speed control allows for precise work on various materials. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.